Hey y'all, what's up? This is your gal Val Pal, and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see by the crusties, I'm trying to do a DIY brown sugar scrub. Yes, not only for the lips, boo-boo, but for the body too. Yeah, I know, looking hella bogus, right? I know, but we all done been there. But you know, it's winter time, so we do get a little dry. I'm trying to show y'all how to get on this status right here though, with the juicy lips. Yes ma'am, let's get into it. All right, so here we are in the kitchen, because everything you are literally going to need for this is in the doggone kitchen, because licking your lips just ain't cutting it. You could be feeling like,
sorry, my lips are a little dry.
so this is literally the only 4 things you're going to need for this recipe, besides what you're going to store it in. So here we are back into the kitchen. We're just going to get right into this honey and brown sugar scrub. So if you're interested, just keep watching. All right, so here we are. Got the light brown sugar. I have honey. You know that you definitely need some of that. Some pure vanilla extract, the good stuff, boo-boo. And some virgin coconut oil. Shout out to the bestie, because she got this for me. Yes, thanks, girl. But yeah, and of course a bowl, right? You're gonna need that. So I'm using a half cup scoop here, so I'm going to be using 2 of these to get my full cup of brown sugar, and then I'm just kind of just mixing it around so it's not so tightly packed. And then you're going to add in some coconut oil in that thing, whip it up, and yeah, just go ahead and just mix everything together.
Sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey.
Now I'm just adding in vanilla, and then I'm also adding in this honey as well. Each 1 teaspoon you're gonna need, and then yeah, once you put it all in, you're gonna mix it together too. Pretty simple, right? That's what I'm about. The simplicity, boo boo. Yes. Mix it all around, get it all good and going. So then next thing you're gonna do, well, what I did anyway, I added a little bit of extra coconut oil to get the consistency that I wanted. But yeah, you just keep on mixing that thing, girl or boy, you know, I don't discriminate. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys here like how the consistency, how I wanted it. You can add, you know, take away, do whatever you need to do to get it to do what you want it to do. But yeah, so the next thing, once you're done with that, you're just gonna grab a container to actually put it in. So I found this jar here. It actually was too much, and I also have like a little small, little empty container. They used to have some makeup in it, excuse me. I cleaned it out, and I'm just using this for like separately for my lips, and then the big one, of course, is gonna be my body scrub. So yeah, I just put everything in there, and then I'm pouring whatever I have left into the big container. Also, y'all, make sure that y'all check out the benefits of this scrub. Like, there's just so many great things inside of this scrub, and it's so simple. Like, it's a win-win. That's pretty much what it ended up looking. I actually ended up doubling the recipe basically, so that's why it looks kind of weird. I gotta mix it up a little bit better, but yeah, I just doubled it so I can fill it up more, even though it still didn't get filled up all the way. But whatever the case is, I'm gonna show y'all how I actually use it. So, you know, I have my smaller container for the lip scrub, so I just take a little bit here on my finger.
I want some of your brown sugar.
Disclaimer, my lips really ain't this crusty, y'all, I promise. I'm just doing it for drama, if you will, boo-boo. So yeah, get a little bit, and then you just rub it in there. You buff that stuff in there, girl. You buff away. Yes, Buffy the lips layer is who you finna be. Yes. And I love this brown sugar scrub because it just like melts into your lips. Like, it just feels like Like heaven. It's just amazing. And then it gets your lips together. I also feel like make my lips look a little bit plumper too. Yeah, so I pretty much just let it sit a little bit. But yeah, look at them things. Yes. And then, oh my God, you know you got to slap some Carmex on there. If you're not using Carmex, what are you doing? Like, Carmex need to just go ahead and sponsor me, because I love Carmex so much. Like, it just get the job done. It just soak in them crevices, you know, like crevices you didn't even know you had. It just get in. It's like, I got you. Don't worry about that. Yes. But yeah, I just put this on for about 5 years until like I'm satisfied. And yeah, like look, like you saw how my list was looking in the beginning, and look at me now, Bobo. 4 ingredients later. So that's the video, y'all. If you enjoyed it, if you plan on making this brown sugar scrub, let us just know. Comment down below. That kind of rhyme, I like that. But until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.